G'day, this is a review for the Danmoto exhaust pipe for a DR350. Apparently it's for the 250 and 350. And since I couldn't find a review online anywhere or a video, I decided I'd make one just for anyone that wants to actually put one on. And it's actually not a bad pipe. It's bit long, as you can see. It sticks out quite a fair way after it's been mounted. There were a couple of little issues with it, but overall it's quite a nice pipe. And I'll just turn her on quickly so you can have a bit of a listen if you don't want to know what the issues were and you're just keen to get a pipe. But otherwise, stay put and I'll tell you all about it in a sec. Just cold starter here now. So as you heard, it is quite a loud pipe, and it's got a bit of WD-40 burning off there. But overall, I did notice a bit of a performance increase on it, obviously because it can breathe a bit better. So there's basically a straight pipe out, reasonable size diameter, as you can see, and yeah. It does mount in a couple of different spots. On the back here you can see it's mounted on the back rail instead of on the actual mounting spots that are underneath that cover. And but that was no big issue. The two issues that I did have were in this section here where it slips on. So with the slip on, I had to actually cut 5mm off the front there and actually put in the slits so that I could mount it on there. And the other thing was this bolt here, you can't actually use the original one because the nut that they weld onto the back of their support is a M8 instead of the M10 or 12. That's the original bolt, so you actually have to get one of those as well. And the clamp I also had to purchase, so I spent $6 getting the clamp, the bolt, washer, and a razor disc for the angle grinder, so I could actually put 1mm slits in, so it'd be nice and be nice and tight in there basically when it got clamped on. But overall, quite happy with the pipe. Construction of it seems to be quite good. It's definitely stainless steel, which sometimes, you know, people proclaim that it is, but it isn't. And yeah, overall, quite like it. Bit weird on the length of the pipe sticking out. Would have been nice if it was basically a little bit shorter, probably about there. But, you know, that's just cosmetic really. So, hope this helps you out. Cheers.